Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Got a pretty good selection of stuff this time. A couple of needle nose pliers. Seems like I use those more than almost anything, especially now the big old fingers, you can't get in there to the tiny stuff. This cleaning kit is going to come in handy. And that thing over there is going to open pop bottles. I don't know why, but Pepsi has decided that the pop bottle caps need to be tighter. Now, it happened almost 3 months ago. I don't know if the guy who was doing the normal adjustment on the machine went on vacation or died or what. But all of a sudden, all of the Diet Pepsi caps can't get them off. Now I can, but my wife just can't pull the handle. Can't get the cap off. So I thought, if I give her this thing, that's going to make it so that she can open a pop bottle without having to have me standing there. And this has been something I've been looking at for a while, and today they had a 20% off sale. If you buy $20 or more, you get 20% off on everything. So I loaded up. This is the only gas can they had that didn't have any rust on it or in it. So that's the one that I bought. And that's going to make 5. I think that's more than enough. That's 25 gallons. That's 2 tankfuls for this truck. And if I wanted to carry more, I can carry more, but normally when I'm driving the tractor someplace, I'll take along a couple extra cans. And this is going to give me enough so that I can have full ones all the time and take the 1 or 2 empties and fill them. Make it worthwhile to do the trip, because the trip is about 12 miles to get to the gas station where they have the Prohibition gas. So that was the purchases today at the Yorta State Outlet. State sales shop here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now they're open all the time. They open about 10. They're open nearly every day. The schedule does change. I don't know why, but it does. Possibly because, they're having a day that they don't want to work. Who knows? When you own the business, you make the choices. So, that's my purchases here. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.